Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to talk about two important indicators that we can use it together. As you can see in the indicator list, the name is the machine learning Lorentzian classification is the first one. We type here. Yes, as you can see in this video, the power of each candle shows by numbers 0 to 8 and 0 to -8, and the maximum is 8 also. Yes, you can find here the power of each candles. After that, we use another indicator, moving average, or EMA. This one, you find it in indicator lists in moving trading view. Yes, this one, EMA, and we add it to chart. You can find it here with blue color. And now we change one of these settings in the first tab. Yes, input. We put the first option on. By default is 9. We change it to 200. Yes, as you can see here in this video. Now, in any places you can find the moving average blue one and crossing the first indicator line, and when they cross each other in the chart, for example here, and you have candles with power for buy, you can go for opening buy position. And also when these two lines cross each other, and after that you have bearish candles, you can open sell position. You can test these two indicators, or generally this strategy in all forex symbols indexes. And also please take forward test and back test, and if possible for you, please let me know your result and ask me any questions. And also you can choose this strategy, in fact these two indicators, in all symbols, gold, euro, USD for example, or all of them you can use. It's available in all time frames, and as you can see here, also the first indicator gives you some signals for buy or sell, or you can test it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and good luck.